Hello, this is Kenji Kumara from Sedona, and I personally would like to invite you to the annual 2026 Sedona Yoga Festival that will be held in the village of Oak Creek at the Hilton Sedona at Bell Rock. It's a very lovely venue space, and we're going to be having over 50 presenters. We'll be having land excursions, music and kirtans, conscious vendors, wonderful people. So if you haven't ever been to Sedona, I personally would like to welcome you to join us April 23rd to the 26th. I will be presenting some very unusual activations there and maybe some other offerings. So we hope that you can take the time out from your busy lives to join us. Beautiful Sedona may be calling you this year, so tune in. And if you get a yes, do come and connect with us, meet some very wonderful people, and I'm sure you will have a very wonderful experience. So until then, hope to see you there.